characteristics, that what are the characteristics of that matter particles. So first characteristic we are having, matter particles or molecules are extremely small in size. Whatsoever, for example, this is a table. These are the particles arrangement in a table. So the matter particles are always extremely very small in size. Whatsoever we are watching matter in our surrounding, like table, chair, pen, pencil, book. So each and everything is having matter. Each and everything is having smallest particles in it. So that smallest particles are extremely small in size. This is the first characteristics of matter particle. Next, we are having matter particles are always having space between them. So, whatsoever we are watching the matter particles, matter in our surrounding, like table, chair, whatsoever we are having, that all matter particles are having some space between them. Like here, you can see some spaces are there between the atoms and molecules. So, this is the second characteristic, that matter particles are always having some space between them. Third, we are having matter particles are in a continuous state of motion. So if you take the example of table, if you take the example of water, or if you take the example of like perfume gas particles, okay, so each and every matter particles, they are always in a continuous motion. So in each matter, they are always in a continuous motion. So this is a third characteristic of matter particles, that matter particles are in a state of continuous motion. Like this, you can see the animation. Like this, matter particles are always in a state of continuous motion. Fourth, we are having matter particles attract each other. So again, I want to tell you that whatsoever we are having the matter, for example, liquid we are having, for example, like table we are having, chair we are having, whatever we are having, that matter particles are always attracting each other. Okay, these particles are always attracting each other. And this force of attraction between the two particles of matter is known as force of attraction, force of attraction, or you can say attractive force. Okay, this is known as force of attraction is the attractive force that is present between the two molecules of matter or two atoms of the matter. Okay, that is known as force of attraction. So next we are having all the molecules of one particular material are identical in shape, size as well as mass. For example, if I am having here liquid, I am having here water, and this is the arrangement of water molecules, or this is the arrangement of any solid molecule. For example, this is arrangement of any solid molecules. So each and every particle which is present in this solid, that each and every molecule or particle, you can say, they are identical. Identical means same, same in shape, same in size, as well as these particles are always same in mass also. If here I am having, for example, like table, here I am having chair. So chair table is having metal particles same in shape, same in size as well as same in mass. If I am having chair, so chair matter particles are also having their same shape, same size as well as same mass. So all the molecules which are present in the matter particles are identical in shape, size as well as mass. One thing more, this matter particles have space between them. So what the name is known as, the space between the two matter particles is known as intermolecular space. Intermolecular space. The space between the two matter particles or the space between the two molecules of matter is known as intermolecular space. Fine.